Welcome to chartforecaster.com. I'm Kyle. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down the NVIDIA charts. We're going to be talking about what's going on with this stock. And they just announced that Vera Rubin, which is NVIDIA's next-gen AI super chip, will succeed Blackwell, which is the previous super chip, right? Now, you're going to think, all these other data centers, all these AI farms, they're all running the best chips they can get their hands on. When NVIDIA comes out with a new chip like this, it's going to force all these data centers in big tech to upgrade their chips, right? So they need to do this to stay competitive. And NVIDIA is already saying that the next gen chips are in full production. So when I look at the charts, I'm seeing that the charts are kind of like a mixed bag. And we'll check out chartforecaster.com in just a second. But there are some bearish sharks. There's some bullish sharks possibly here on the charts that I'm kind of in the middle ground here, stuck with the price. And I think like investors are just waiting to see how this all plays out. Now, I just did a video on Okla Inc., which is a nuclear power company, where the CEO of NVIDIA was quoted saying, "We just need more power. We need more energy." And he was referring to nuclear power, things like that. I'll put that at the end screen so you can watch that video next. But right now, it wouldn't surprise me if we saw NVIDIA rally up to $203-ish, somewhere in that neighborhood, and see this bearish shark really execute, or this bullish shark execute down to like 172. The markets are very, very mixed right now, especially with all this Venezuela stuff going on. But we'll leave politics out of it. Chartforecaster.com is an incredible software that really allows you to hone in on market timing events, right? Because we are interested in when the markets are moved, when to close out our shorts, when to open our longs, things of that nature. Now, this focuses on swing highs and swing lows, and really the software itself is $9.99 a month. And what it does is it focuses in on a specific point of interest, and it does all this data aggregation behind the scenes. So with that said, I think what we'll do is we'll just focus on this swing low, which was December 17th here of 2025. So we'll enter that in. Now the software knows that's the date we're interested in, and now it can develop a very nice path forward on where it thinks that we're going to see important market timing events happen all the way out to about January 14th. Which is really cool. It's January 6th right now. Now we can see that it did predict a little bit of a reversal here, or market high or a market low, which technically it was because the stock just kind of traded sideways for a day or two. It predicted a bullish or bearish start of momentum, and this is all really open to interpretation too, right? So we don't know how drastic or how crazy these swings will be in most cases. But when you start to pair this information with patterns and harmonics and things like that, it's a very useful tool. It also said that on December 29th, watch out for volatility spikes, breakouts, pauses. So this was dead on the money. A very nice sharp drop off as it predicted. There was a little bit of a rally. The software said, hey, this is going to be a momentum peak area, which it really was. And you can see that there was a nice rally on January 5th, but Chart Forecaster said, watch for the reversal on this point in time. It's saying right now, January 6th at about 1937 hours. This is UTC time. This is very important. 1937, January 6th. Watch out for the start of bullish or bearish momentum. And then on January 10th at 1547 UTC, watch for volatility spikes, breakouts, pauses. And then on the 14th, we can expect some sort of momentum peak area at 1900 hours approximately. Now, what's beautiful about chartforecaster.com is we're currently in the process of adding more stocks. But when the markets are closed, if you want to trade crypto, guess what? It works on Bitcoin. It works on Ethereum, a ton of other stocks as well. We've been having tremendous success trading Riot, which is up now over 200% from when we were doing some options trading just last week. So with that said, guys, I hope you've found this information helpful. NVIDIA, I think, has big things ahead of it. They need energy. These data centers need energy. We need chips. This is my focus. These are things that I'm kind of concerned about with tech at the moment. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think. And sign up for chartforecaster.com. It's $9.99 a month. It'll help you know when these markets are gearing up for moves and things like that. See you guys on the next video. Peace.